Good afternoon, this is Ephraim from Glicks Woodworking. I'm going to show you a little bit of our products. We've got the barns, a little bit about what makes them unique and different. So let's walk over here and take a look at it. Here we have a 12 by 16 barn style building. We've got the fiberglass doors. They won't bend. We've got a little strip in the bottom to save the piece of wood. You want to step inside here. Double doors, you've got the little two latches here. Open that up. And there you have your full 5-foot opening. We've got the lofted top in here. The studs are every 16 foot. So we've got 1/2 inch plywood here. And we've got the flooring, which is a kind of like an OSB flooring with a finish on it. So it's just a little better quality. Studs every 16 foot inches. The rafters every 16 inches. Over here we have the windows. Put them up, they'll lock in there, go all the way up if you want. They've got the screens in there already. So just a little bit about the interior. You can lock them. We've got shutters on here, that's of course optional. And here we have a wooden one, which is pretty much the same, just wood exterior, of course. And that all works the same way, it's all the same interior. We've got a 5-year warranty on everything top to bottom. If you want to show them a little bit of the play sets, we've got a gazebo, we've got play sets here.